Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties from the dress material suit collections. If I talk about today, I'm going to show you the Kesaria manufacturers which has brought 100% cotton fancy boutique and retailers. These collections today I'm going to show you individual. You have a different fancy varieties of fancy collections which starts from only around approximately 350 rupees to 750 to 800. I have not mentioned the specific price over here. Please watch this video. So you can watch this video and easily you can take a screenshot and you can talk to our online team and you can easily purchase. These collections are for the only women and the girls who really don't want to wear, or I don't know to wear sari. I don't know to wear a sari. So for that collections for the wedding and fancy for the family events you can purchase. So quickly I'm going to show you the samples you can add into your business retailers, and if you want to start a clothing business and the multiple options you have, so factory cost you can purchase. The beautiful pattern over here, the Rama green color you are watching here, the white color combination with the white thread work with the satin based, which is a 176 is the code, and you have a white color bottom and you have a dupatta of the designer thread work which has been given here. This is dupatta. This looks like, okay, there's a satin lace which has been highlighted. In this pattern you have a multiple color. So bottom, top and dupatta you will have a 7.5 meters this way. The next pattern, which is a navy blue, which is a traditional event based only butta thread work, covered thread work butta, which is 302 is the code, with the sequence work with the two-tone jerry dupatta, golden jerry with the two-tone shade of dupatta over here. You can see the dupatta, which is a base. This looks like this. There is a barcode over here, and this pattern you can easily quickly contact the mild sequence work and the wiring work, matte look finishing. In this also you have a color options. The next pattern, red. Everyone's favorite color, red, is very traditional and pure traditional base, the south based. The two-tone shade of dupatta, which is a navy blue with the red color combination of the golden jerry, which I'm showing you here, two-tone shade. These are all jerry varieties. There's the code called 496, dark red. See how pretty. And this you have a semi-stitch with the beautiful chunky work and the piping work designer with the navy blue. And there is a navy blue pattern bottom, which is a based. And in this you have a jerry, you can see over here. In this also you have a different color options. So I'm telling you the code, you can easily purchase. Next, mustard color with the covered leaf work, thread work with the batik pattern, synthetic dupatta, which is very pretty. See, with the grey color combination, this comes like this, and the matte look finishing. 346 is the code, covered with the kota patti work, combination of the leaf work pattern, and the mud color combination you can see here the bottom. 346 is the code. All these varieties you can purchase with the color options. The next variety, beautiful traditional multi-color, which is a mehendi color. I'm going to show you. In this there is a golden matte look finishing of the pink with jerry work. Beautiful combination with the jerry. All these are traditional for the wedding, family events you can purchase and you can stitch. Semi-stitch neck pattern, 100% malmal cotton, chunky work almost. There is a, you can see here, there is a barcode over here which is 389 code, and tomato red is the bottom. So in this malmal cotton, you have a chanderi cotton, Jaipuri pattern. All these exclusive collections you can purchase. Next pattern, one of the pista green color, chikankari work, covered with a golden dotted stone work with the thread work over here, covered print, and you can see the light pista green bottom. The code you can see, if I am not mentioning the code over here, you can take a screenshot with the one of the blue with pista green combination of dupatta, very pretty. See, this is the pattern. I'm just showing you with the dupatta with the top. Why? Because these collections are very fancy, very unique and very presentable to give to your family friends, and your the college friends, or your working woman who wants to share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next pattern, which is a covered maroon color, which is 276 is the code, with a creamish color pattern, very pretty, with the floral base, the wiring work. You have a cream color bottom with the chanderi cotton, the beautiful pattern of synthetic, dark color or dark maroon, I can say. 276 is the code. See how pretty. Top bottom dupattas, 2.5, which is totally 7.5. You can see here. These are all varieties you are watching here. The multi-fancy work of the all dress material with different cotton fancy work collections in the work fancy collections for the retailers. With the color charts, you can easily purchase and you can easily add into your business to make your customers happy. These are all exclusive, new, unique varieties, season to season, Kesaria manufacturers giving you with the color options. No need to worry about the damages. You will not find out any damage. If you're finding any damages also, 100% replace option, pan India COD options are there. Once you place an order, within 7 to 10 days, you will receive your stock, transport, shipping. There is a team, back-end team, who will guide you to support you. And no need to worry about multiple options like sari, lehenga, kurti, bottom, dupattas, kids collections, men varieties, all exclusive collections from regular wear to party wear, boutique, all varieties you can purchase. So this collections I have told you approximately some 350 to 750 to 800. Not mention the specific price. If you want to know the specific price, take a screenshot and numbers are on the screen. Please contact. So easily enjoy these collections, add into your business, retailers, dealers, wholesalers. And from which city you're watching the video, please let me know in the comment box. Quickly subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Follow the website and social media pages. Next video we'll meet up with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.